Son, can you go and buy me a soft drink? Coke or a Pepsi, father? Coke. Diet or a regular, father? Son, go and get me regular. Okay, father, but bottled or can? Get me bottled. It will be fine for me. Okay, father, 500 mils or a liter? Oh shit, just buy me water then. Natural or mineral, father? Get me mineral. What or a cold, father? Broom if you keep asking me silly questions. Stick broom or a soft broom? Stop this, you little animal. Cow or a pig? Get the hell out of here, you bastard. Now or later, father? Now. So you're gonna throw me out or not? I'm gonna kill you. With a gun or a knife? I'm gonna shoot you, you little bastard. In the head or stomach? You pest. Cockroach or a rat? No. Are you dead or sleeping, father?
No.